Hey there, bull market bully fam. Today we're diving into Datchat Inc., ticker symbol DATS, a player in the secure messaging and social media arena. Before we jump in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth stock analyses. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that could give you an edge with this stock. Datchat is a tech company specializing in secure messaging and social media platforms, emphasizing user privacy and data protection. Their flagship app allows users to control their messages even after sending, offering features like self-destructing messages and screenshot prevention. In an era where data breaches are rampant, Datchat addresses the growing demand for enhanced digital privacy, catering to individuals and businesses seeking secure communication channels. Datchat's financials reveal a company in its growth phase. As of the latest reports, the company has minimal revenue, indicating it's still building its market presence. Operating margins are currently negative, which is typical for startups investing heavily in development and marketing. The company maintains a solid cash position with low debt levels, providing stability as it scales operations. Compared to industry peers, Datchat's financial metrics suggest it's in the early stages of monetization, focusing on user acquisition and platform enhancement. The secure messaging market is expanding, driven by increasing concerns over data privacy. Datchat leverages this trend with its unique features, such as message self-destruction and blockchain integration, enhancing user security. Its competitive moat includes proprietary technology and a strong emphasis on user privacy, setting it apart from competitors like Signal and Telegram. While these established players have larger user bases, Datchat's innovative approach and focus on privacy offer a compelling alternative in the market. Future prospects, growth opportunities, and challenges. Datchat's growth strategy includes expanding its user base through targeted marketing and exploring new revenue streams like premium features and business solutions. The company is also investing in AI-driven content and blockchain technology to enhance its platform's capabilities. However, challenges such as intense competition and the need for continuous innovation pose risks. Datchat aims to mitigate these by focusing on niche markets and maintaining a strong commitment to user privacy. Currently, Datchat's stock trades at approximately $8.93 per share. Given its early-stage financials, traditional valuation metrics like PE ratios may not provide a complete picture. Investors should consider the company's growth potential and market trends. For those with a higher risk tolerance, entering at or below the current price could be an opportunity to invest in a company positioned to capitalize on the increasing demand for digital privacy solutions. Considering Datchat's innovative approach, market potential, and current financial standing, I assign this stock a B for long-term investors. It's a speculative play with significant upside potential, but also notable risks inherent to early-stage tech companies. Here's a bonus tip. Datchat recently acquired RPM Interactive, an AI-driven content company focusing on podcasts and gaming. This strategic move isn't fully reflected in the current stock price but could significantly enhance Datchat's platform offerings and revenue streams in the coming quarters, making it a potential growth catalyst for investors. That's it for today's stock review. If you found this analysis helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more stock insights and investment strategies. Stay bullish. Bull market bully fam.